Good day and welcome to Stock Electronics. We'll be showing you all of the Sonoff smart home automation products work. Please like and subscribe to our channel for we'll be posting more videos and tutorials. Today we will be discussing the Sonoff Zigbee curtain motor. Within the package you will receive the motor itself, a controller, an additional clip, 2 clamps, and an instructions booklet with all the additional information you need. I will now show you how to install the device. First, clamp your clamp onto the curtain's rail. At the back of the clamp, you'll see hooks that easily slide into the back of the motor. Before setting up, keep in mind that the max weight of the motor is 8 kilograms and the max length is 3.5 meters. There is an additional clip which you attach to the string to control the secondary curtain by. I'll now show you how to set up your device. Keep in mind that you require a Zigbee bridge to be able to connect to your motor. To put it in pairing mode, there will be a Wi-Fi button located underneath the motor. Press and hold it for a few seconds until a green light starts flashing. Select your Zigbee bridge, press add, and then wait for your device to connect. Now that the device has been connected, you can press next. Your curtain motor will now be the last item underneath your Zigbee bridge. When you have selected your Zigbee curtain motor, you will find yourself on this screen. There's a button to open the curtain, to stop the curtain, and to close the curtain. The slider in the middle indicates how much percentages it's open or closed. You require the remote to set its initial starting and stopping positions first. I will now show you how to set the default positions using the remote. As you can see, at the top is a close button, in the center is a stop button, and at the end is the open button. By pressing the open and stop simultaneously, the moment you release it, it will set its default position, and the same with the close and stop. Now if you press open, it will stop at its assigned location. Because Sonoff is based overseas, the motor was specifically made for this square-shaped rail, which is not that common in South Africa. We have these oval-shaped ones, which is why we at Stock Electronics have taken it upon ourselves to 3D print these pieces that just slide onto the rail, which you just attach the clamp to. These are not sold separately, they are included in the box. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials.